In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your checking account with ease. Ensuring your records match with your bank statement is a crucial task that aids in organizing your personal finances and managing your accounts more efficiently. So let's dive in and tackle this process step by step together. First, to begin reconciling your checking account, you'll want to start by opening your account. To do this, head over to the Accounts window in your financial management software. Once you've located your checking account, simply double-click on it. This action will immediately open the transaction register. The transaction register is an essential tool where you can view and manage your accounts, and it's the starting point for everything we'll be doing today. With your transaction register now open, it's time to initiate the reconciliation process. Toward the upper part of your screen, you'll see a top menu. Look for the option labeled Actions. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select Reconcile. Clicking on Reconcile will bring up the Reconcile window. The Reconcile window is where all the magic happens, as it helps you match your financial records with what your bank has on file. Now, let's prepare to enter the crucial details to get your reconciliation underway. Start by carefully typing in the statement date. This is the date that appears prominently on your paper or online bank statement. It's important to make sure this matches exactly, as even a small discrepancy here can create confusion later on. Following the date entry, jot down the starting balance from your bank statement. This figure represents the amount at the very beginning of your statement period. After this, key in the ending balance, also from your statement, which marks the total at the end of the period you're reconciling. Once you've double-checked that the date and balance figures are correctly entered, you'll want to progress by clicking the OK button. Clicking OK moves you toward aligning the transactions listed in your software with those recorded by your bank, a pivotal step in maintaining accurate financial records. By following these steps, you're on your way to a successful reconciliation. As you proceed, remember the goal is to ensure every transaction listed matches what your bank has recorded. This process not only provides peace of mind, but also highlights any discrepancies that might need further investigation. Taking the time to perform a thorough reconciliation regularly is an excellent habit for financial health. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy reconciling.